Hi there, RC Girl here. Today I'm back with a video about giving the XXX-T Team Losi vintage truck a makeover. This thing definitely deserves some love. I know I've been spending a ton of time on my new Traxxas TRX4, but this week I'm going to bring it back to the bashers, my original love, and give this thing an upgrade. So this car I've had since early days in my teenage years. It was one of the first cars I got when I was just getting into RC. Bought the kit, built it myself. So it's had a couple bodies now, but I think this one is reaching the end of its life. I do have a video about how to reinforce and repair your RC car bodies, but this one, as you can see, it's been taped with Gorilla Tape. It's been repaired multiple times. I took this car to the pump track the other day, and a little kid, I think he was about 5, was like, "Ugh, that thing looks old." So I was a little embarrassed. I know he's only 5, but this car definitely deserves better. So I've been looking for a new body for this thing for ages. They're super hard to find, but I found one in Canada. A fellow Instagrammer, Number 5 Designs, offered to paint a custom airbrushed body for it, which is super cool. I'll put a link to his Instagram account and his Facebook page below. Check out his stuff. He has really awesome airbrushed custom designs. All I did was have the body shipped to him in New Mexico and sent him a few images of cars that I thought looked cool, and he took it from there. So I recently took it to the beach and burned up the ESC, so I also put in a new ESC in that. Got some new Proline sand paws that I installed on it on some new rims. And also another fellow Instagrammer, Martin Ling, sent me some cool lights, so I'm going to install those as well. Let's check it out. Alright, and if you do know me in unboxings, I can never wait to do the video to actually do the unboxing. I have to check out the stuff right away. Anytime anything comes in the mail, I have to open it right up at the mailbox pretty much. So it's already been opened. So it hasn't been cut or anything, but this is the look. I really like the jagged edges. He does do a lot of the cool splatter paint, which I really liked. I told him no pink, so I'm glad no pink ended up in this design. I think you can also pull off the window masks, but I kind of like them, so I'll see what it looks like, but definitely some cool detailing, and you can tell that he spent a ton of time working on this. He also sent me this cool t-shirt. It has dog hair on it already, but let's put it on. Not on camera. So thanks, Number 5 Designs. This is awesome. I love it. So I also picked out some decals to really spruce up the body, give it some headlights and tail lights. And also, what would it be without a new RC Girl decal? So I'm super excited about these. They've already gone all around the world, from Russia and Sweden to Ohio, Pennsylvania, Southern California. It's been awesome sharing these with you guys. I do have a couple other designs coming, so I know not everyone's an RC girl. So I'm getting some RC Basher, RC Crawler, and some that just say RC on them. So I'll put a link to where you can get your own RC Girl decals in the description below. And thank you for supporting my channel. It's been awesome sharing these with you guys. Let's get to cutting out the body. I'm always super nervous about this because you have to be careful not to scratch off the paint with the Lexan body cutting scissors, but let's just give it a go. Dante tooted in here, it stank. I think it's looking really good. We got some cool taillights back there, some headlights. We got the RC Girl sticker here. So I didn't want to go too crazy with the decals. I do like the body's kind of simple. Now let's install our lights. All right, now we have our lights plugged into a 3-cell LiPo, and these aren't going to be super bright. It's more for looks, so it's not going to be like my Trick RC where you can see to the moon and back on my TRX4, but I think these will add a really nice touch to it. All right, there we have it, folks. Just finished the new body from Number 5 Designs. Cool paint job. I love it so much. It looks even awesome with the blue motor and the rear taillights and our headlights. So I'm really liking this look. And the sand paws, got my new AC. This thing is ready to go. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. I'm looking forward to making more videos. And don't worry, I didn't forget about the bashers. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Signing off.